Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify not working on PC. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open a new tab and type in Spotify down, and then look for either click on ongoing issues or Spotify down current status. And then you wanna type in the app, and you can here see like the recent problems. If it's a huge spike with like it's red, then it means that it's like a global problem or like a area specific problems which can cause the outages. So if it's like not working properly, what you can do is close it out. You want to right click on it, go to task manager, go to find it here, click on it and then press delete, and it will fully close it. And then you want to reopen it and see if that fixes the issue. Also, you can do is restart your PC, and then maybe it should work. If it's not the ongoing issue with like the on global scale or whatever, or like a local scale, you want to go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you want to click here and type Spotify. And after it finds it, you can click here 3 dots and then uninstall, and then uninstall it again. And after you have uninstalled it, you want to open a new tab and type in Spotify download, and then click on the first link, Spotify download, and you're gonna get it from Microsoft Store, I guess, or directly from Spotify. And then you download it, and then you want to open it and run the installer, and then you want to log in to your Spotify and it should work properly. If it's like a global scale on a down detector, if it's like a huge spike, that means that it's impacting everybody, and you should just wait it out. If you can play like your liked songs or something before it like comes back, maybe the DJ isn't working, or it's like not loading the UI, etc. Or maybe you only have the list, and then you can like just play your downloaded songs or like liked songs, etc. till it comes back up. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Spotify not working on your PC. Hopefully this video will help you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.